Hi there, it's Tim. I'm here with Lena, and we were just wrapping up a shoot here for us in the studio. What do you think? So far, so good?
Yeah, you're good.
She did great. We had a designer, 3 designer outfits, and then she had brought her own outfits. It was a lot of fun. Lena has an Instagram account. What's your Instagram account?
Lena.course.
Perfect. I'm going to put that down below. Make sure you give her a like, follow. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to show you some of the photos we just took now.